Okay, hi everyone. So I've just found the best ever. Also use this sound because that means a big YouTuber will comment on your TikTok. So guys, this is GroovePad, the best thing ever. So I'm gonna let you guys figure one out. Also, you can make a song out of this. Tell me if you do in the comments. So ready? 3, 2, 1. So that was my first one. My second one is going to be like kind of, let's do maybe an Ariana Grande song. Can't really remember what the song's called, but I know how to do it too. I think it's God is a Woman. Yeah, definitely. Let me just try and feel the beat. And then the whistle, I think it's this. So it goes like, how did it go, guys? So, God is a woman. Okay, so, this doesn't mean if I go to the version. It's